y'all, man. We trying to get outside. We going to these wheels, man.
If y'all boys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, man. I drop consistent bangers. And if y'all haven't checked, go over and follow me on Instagram, man. I drop behind the scenes content. Now let's get into the video.
YouTube, it's your boy Davo coming to y'all boys with another YouTube video, man. In today's video, we will be getting some new wheels, man. I don't know if I told y'all in the title, but we will be getting some new wheels, man. I got my boy SRT Moosey behind the camera, man.
Yes, Sirski.
Got my boy behind you, man. Hey, this is low-key sleeping. Hold up, folks.
Bro.
Hey, make sure to charge that like button, hit that subscribe button, folks. I'm spending damn this is a $2,500 setup on freaking wheels, bro. On wheels, these joints gotta go. In the back only though. Get y'all a little sneak peek, but I ain't gonna tell y'all what I got coming, man. But I'm gonna tell y'all, man. I'm tuning this bitch.
Cap.
I'm gonna tune this bitch. Like right now, I gotta tune it because I ain't got no choice. Hey, wind this motherfucker real quick. Wind this bitch. Damn. They don't believe me. Y'all like don't believe me that it can wind. Wine, gang. Damn. Got that it pulling up, bro. This shit on the floor. Bam. Get up. This motherfucker really wine, gang. Hey, let me know if y'all want this joint on the channel, folks. I'ma blow the motor, folks, on the channel.
My time has come.
Hey, the subscribers say we need this joint on the channel, gang.
I'll start popping out. I'm just trying to get this shit together, that's all.
Bad move. She finna change this joint damn near tomorrow, bro. This joint finna be a new motherfucking color. Finna grab these wheels, man. I ain't wanna do it, but Troy keep on telling me I gotta grab the wheels, bro.
Watch out.
This is a steal, so I had, bro. I got to.
Nah, not yet.
But we finna head that now, though. I'm gonna let y'all know when we there, man. Let me show y'all shorty how I'm coming, man. I know I be showing y'all, but I don't be showing y'all enough. Motherfucker look like a damn strip club in this joint, gang. But yeah, though, y'all. We just go keep on going up, man. I'm gonna keep adding crap to the car. In this video, too, I know the last video I told y'all I was gonna go to Best Buy. I gotta go to Best Buy because I gotta buy a freaking memory card, damn SD card for this new camera I just got. Bro, for these wheels, I'm spending $1,600 for these wheels. Then for this camera, gang, I just spent like $1,900 for this camera. Like, man, I'm really investing, gang. I'm really investing. Brand spanking new, gang. Brand spanking new. And it's crazy, but I've been catching deals though, because this camera for the whole setup is like $2,700. But I got a stain, bro. I paid $1,900 for that joint, so I've been catching stains. So my boy KD just pulled up. He just pulled up in that Chally thing. Oh shit, boy! I just damn near tripped. Got my boy LV just pulled up in that Striker 300.
Got him. We fucking got him.
Pulled up in the 300 thing. Ooh wee! Y'all already seen this from the last video though, so we ain't gonna get into detail. We gonna do a whole separate video on this joint. We go dog this joint out to the max. We ain't even gotta worry about that car right now. Got my boy Smurf. We finna head that now though, y'all. We ain't finna be chit-chatting, just standing around looking like goofies. We finna head that.
Y'all, man. We trying to get outside. We going to these wheels, man. Wheels finna be fine on the Jailbreak, man.
You know that. This joint looking so weak right now.
It's gonna be so
This joint looking so weak right now. I'm telling y'all, bro. When I get these wheels on this joint, but look, I don't got the lug nuts for him because he told me that his car got stolen and the lug nuts was up in his car, but the wheels wasn't on there. So shoot, I'm gonna have to buy them freaking lug nuts. Them lug nuts like $120, so I'm getting a steal on them, but I still gotta buy them lug nuts.
Came out.
Who?
With the cat, 300.
What? This joint in eco mode. It's still wine though, gang. He said folks' battery cable just came off. That motherfucker lemon. What is he doing? Talking about his battery cable. That boy LV tweaking. I wanted these like a year ago, but I never got them.
Right.
Cause I wasn't trying to freaking pay $2,000 something, bro. I'm like, heck no, I ain't finna pay.
Yeah, they're
but
expensive.
yeah, the these on the
that's
side.
the Beadlock.
Yeah, like the beadlocks and all.
ones
And
are
I'm
just
like,
regular.
nah. Yeah, I'm like, nah, bro. I
They
need
look
these.
nicer like this with the letters
Yeah.
and all that.
These joints. Oh, I'm finna drop them now. Luckily, I just caught it. But yeah, though, bro, these joints freaking insane. Got my workers with me.
Well, he tweaking. Damn. You gotta pull this one in.
Look, my boy getting paid $4 an hour. Come on, gang.
I need $200, boy.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Oh, you know he get down with these joints.
That's perfect.
Hold on, you know he get down with these joints.
Chill out, bro.
The Cabela joint so phone down.
Oh, look.
Son was getting right, bro.
I done built.
Oh, yeah, you know.
It's that real. Yeah. It's that real deal, bro. Y'all playing. I don't even want to hop on that joint, bro. I'll probably do something. Yeah. This one of them ones, bro.
Gonna put Davo for the community on side of it?
Yeah. Nah, this joint hard though, bro. Hey, let me know in the comments if y'all want me to get one of these joints. I might have to pull it back up and grab this green one.
Yeah, this green one.
Yeah, nah, this green
It's a
one
little
tough.
less.
Like a utility? Like a utility and then that one like a little sporty.
I'm not gonna lie.
Man.
You ain't this one, bro. 450 still fast, bro.
Bro, anything is fast for me, bro. I ain't finna. Alright, y'all. So, mission success. Shout out to my boy, Jose. For the welds. We gonna get these joints on probably after the winter, bro. But I don't know when I'm gonna put it on, but I'm gonna put them on, y'all. Alright, y'all. So, your boy Davo totally forgot it was Sunday, bro. And it's like 8 o'clock right now. I forgot that Best Buy closed early, bro. They closed at 7 o'clock. So, we can't even do nothing. So, right now, we just finna cut up through the motherfucking city. Right now, we on the east side. But this is not the black side of the east side, bro. This is the Mexican side of the east side. This is the, man, they had them to do something to your little ass over here. Fuck. Dang. Davo tripping out, huh? They say, Davo, you ain't supposed to be doing it like that. I do it how I want, shorty. Nah. These down should be so insane, Brody. One more. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. What is KD in there talking about? Before he got his motherfucker last shoulder that joint talk to itself. But no, we finna go to this warehouse, so we finna cut up at the warehouse for a little bit, bro. Then we finna leave. Best Buy closed, bro. I tweet. My ass forgot. We was finna go to Best Buy. Hey, it's closed. I'm like, damn.
Let me pull one out.
Damn, boy.
Watch out, boy.
Whole time.
Y'all
He bought it for me because he owed me, bro.
I'm telling y'all, man.
Oh,
USA, boy.
Hardest 1,000 horsepower, red eye. Oh, not red eye.
He said,
Wide body jailbreak, last call cat, man.
Know that, man. You know that, man. Coming soon, coming soon, coming soon. I'm finna rock my pink. My finna be the hardest pink car out here.
You already know it, boy. The only one in the world, boy.
Dumbass, he think I'm talking about him. Well, I'm talking about me.
I'm the only one in the world promoting your shit.
We gotta do something for the vlogs, bro. We gotta do something. This boy a cop booty.
I'm finna slide my own shit, boy. Boy, slid
Pulling
your
out
shit,
where?
pulling out the alley. His ass too geek, bro. You ain't even had control of that
Nah,
bitch.
my shit didn't even fly for me.
Like,
Bro, your ass was sideways. Be for
Fool
real.
got that scat dip. He been acting different.
Tweaking.
You are gay.
Oh, he tripping. Blood tweaking.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all, so I just got a call and this boy then effed up his drive shaft, bro. His drive shaft just snapped. That white car that I just showed y'all, that Chevy Caprice, his freaking drive shaft just popped on me, bro. So I'm finna spin back. Cause I was wondering, like, what is that? Videos never go how he wanted to, man. He was just like about to just start really cutting up and just going crazy. But folks' drive shaft just messed up. And we was finna go to this gas station and record some reels and crap, but that's probably most likely finna be canceled, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Motherfucker swallowed the hair from my motherfucking beard, folk. Fuck. But yeah, we pulling up there right now. I'm gonna let y'all know how this looking, man. How the drive shaft looking. We finna see right now, cause obviously he can't drive it. So he just called a tow. So we just probably finna just chill and wait for his tow to come. And yeah, man. Just enjoy, man. Just enjoy the rest of the motherfucking video. Cause it's not going how it's planned, so yo, just get y'all a random vlog, man. This video not even about nothing. Really, it's just about me grabbing my wheels, which I already did that. But now it's just gonna be a little vlog of us. There's a security guard right there. Let's see how it's looking on this other side. They said that the other security guard came over and closed off. Oh, yep, I see him. It's 12 right there, fool. I ain't finna mess around with these niggas, fool. Fuck. Where the fuck blood at? Boom. What folks drive shaft just...
You did whatever you did. I ain't catch what you did. I caught everything he did on camera, bro.
What?
He did like one slide and a half that...
But why they tweaking in front of Luby crib like that? They tweaking.
Who cars? Oh, that's that one nigga that be tweaking.
They right in front of his crib.
Wow.
Like
And he just letting them do that shit.
Right, bro, he don't care, bro. Right in front of his crib. Tell us a tandem in the
Man, this video ain't even go how it was supposed to go. Oh, all type of just goofy shit. But look, for some reason, y'all be loving to watch anyways, bro. Like, when we ain't on nothing at all, y'all be loving to watch, bro. Y'all just be watching us just motherfucking stare at each other all day, folks. Oh, bro, late as hell. I'm hungry. So I'm trying to get in the crib, watch some baddies eat. Man, look. KD ass trying to go to the crib, watch some motherfucking Hulu Plus.
Hulu Plus is exclusive subscription.
Alright, y'all. Let me know how I'm coming. I had to come. Relish had to come glizzy with the cheese inside.
That's what nasty as
What else I put on this? Ketchup, mustard. You talking about the glizzy supreme, mayonnaise, all type of shit, folks. Shit, it. You don't know what this is. But I was just telling them, folks, I've never had gas station food, never, bro. I had to try it. Skip this. I went over there, gang. I had to get the gas station food. Folks ass hate them.
Man, fuck on.
Trucker Deluxe.
For the redneck.
What you get?
Right there.
Large bag.
Big bag.
Come on, a large bag. What the fuck is that? Folks, I got a monster burger.
9:30. Y'all laugh.
Bro, what dude talking
You ain't nobody dead, boy. Chill out.
And you out of all people, boy, you don't even know what you eat. Boy, that ain't even pig no more, boy.
Bro, I got this from the crib. I got this from the crib. Y'all ass tweaking.
that from the crib? How you lying like
KD been over there quiet as hell.
His ass over there having a mukbang, boy.
For a mukbang.
My dumb ass thought I was recording. I had that bitch on pause.
No, wait, you can pause it?
Hell yeah.
What? What kind of phone is that?
16 Pro Max. Just update your shit.
That's a 16.
Yeah, 16 Pro Max.
Doing that just came out?
Yeah.
Yo, ass capping.
Bro, what you mean?
What? On what folks doing like that? Damn, that mother like a real movie theater. Why you get this color, boy?
I be trying new colors.
This is rose gold.
No, it's
I ain't know what that is.
called Desert Titanium.
Shit on me, I be getting. No, wait, what? This shit look pinkish rose gold kind of. I'm just getting the admitted scan. I gotta get some footage in.
I gotta
Leave
get
y'all
these
help.
minutes in. Folks gonna go to sleep off that glizzy.
What? Hey, this why I believe monetized. These motherfuckers look like brothers.
Tenders, bro. What? I love that tenders.
Y'all just watch him eat for the next minute.
You 50 cents. I don't even watch him eat. Boy, you ain't getting enough time already, boy. I thought we was going Best Buy. That's what I love.
Damn. He over crunching on them motherfuckers. Like he ain't ate in 2 motherfucking weeks.
Nah.
Folks said trying to eat some camera time.
Katie.
Can't get him back tweaking.
You are gay.
He over there eating food.
Bro, this is what y'all don't see. This is what I never put in a vlog, but I'm finna put it up in this vlog because I ain't got shit to motherfucking add to this vlog. So y'all finna see every little moment. But today though, everything been going bad, bro. That's why I need to hurry up and get to the crib, bro. Everything been going bad today, bro.
You better let them know you need that suspension parts.
Oh yeah. What is it called again? Sway bar? Yeah, I did not know that if you run 17, that you need a sway bar, bro. I never knew that.
Sway bar link.
Sway bar link. Folks told me that shit like 500 almost. I can't get that. Damn. I'm down to post them rims on Facebook Marketplace. I'm getting that 5.
Then you gotta buy the little ones too.
Oh God, and the little nuts is 120, but I already told y'all about that. Man, watch no motherfucking ads, shorty. Motherfucker fucked up. Drop my cash out, my shit gonna be right there. Send me $5. Send me $5 if you watch it right now. Give my boy Troy some new motherfucking socks, for he been wearing the same socks for like 3 months. Sweet.
3 months.
Yeah though, y'all, man. At this point, man, I'm forcing it. So I'm gonna end this video off right here. I appreciate all y'all boys for tuning in, man. It's been your boy Damo and I'm out, man. It's been your boy SRT Musket, I'm out, man. Yeah, y'all. We out, man. I'm gonna keep forcing it. I got 5 minutes in this joint. I don't know how. Damn. He's overly swallowing them bitches over there.
Swallowing is crazy.
Smack him, KD.
Yeah, get your silly ass on.
Smack him for the tube.
This is not no do it for the vibe. Yo, ass man. Killed in here, boy. Hey, where this gonna be?
He tweaking. Bro, my stomach low-key hurt. If I should never ate this shit. Bro, I'm dead ass. Alright, so y'all, I'm out, man. Cheap ass nigga.